Hey, this is MJ, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a Lucite fork. I received this fork from Furls Crochet, and I'm just going to run through a tutorial with you on how to make cord using it. So there's two methods that you can use to make cord. So this shows you what one method looks like. It's a little bit looser. And then there's this method as well where you get a little bit tighter of a cord. And I'll be using some Breva bulky weight yarn for this tutorial, and this yarn is from We Crochet. Okay, so the first method I'm going to show you will be for our little bit larger, looser cord. So first off, you want to just take your yarn and stick it through the hole. I'm going to go through the front and just push it to the back. Just pull it down and hold it with my hand. So now you're going to take the yarn and make a figure 8. Around the hook. And then we're going to go one more time. So you can see there's 2 loops on this side, 2 loops on that side. Now what you're going to do is take one loop and just pull it over, take another loop and pull it over, and then you can just give that a tug back here. Now we're going to wrap it around again. Make another figure 8. We want that we have 2 loops on each side. And then you just take your loop, pull it over, take your loop, pull it over, and give that a tug. And again, just make another figure 8. And just keep doing this as long as you want to make your cord. And when our tail actually gets a bit longer, I just pulled that through. You don't really need it going through there anymore. You could just pull it out. So really simple. You're just making figure 8s around the fork so that you have 2. You always need 2 on each side, so that you can put them over top of each other. Now I'm just going to do a couple more. You can see it's coming along. So when you get your cord as long as you want it, what you're going to do next is cut your tail. Just remove it right off your fork. Take the end, go through one loop, and then just go right through the other loop. And then you can just pull that, and there's your cord. Okay, so next I'll show you the other method. Okay, so now we're making the tighter cord. You could even do this making bracelets, all kinds of stuff. I'd love to see your ideas in the comments on what you would like to make with your cord. So again, we're going to push through to the back. And we're going to make a figure 8 again. Okay, now this time I've just gone around it one time, holding this in my hand here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my fork to the left. Okay, so I'm turning it towards my hand. I've only gone around doing a figure 8 one time. I'm going to turn it, and now I have 2 loops here. I'm going to take this and go over one time. I'm then going to turn again to the left. Just holding my hand like this, and I'm going to pull that over. So every time you turn, you get that loop. So we're only doing it on the right time. So we turn again to the left. And then you can just keep pulling your tail. You can speed up as you go. If you get your hand position right, I find it just makes it easy, but you're just turning always to the left and pulling that over. And once you get this going a little bit, you can always pull that out. So this just makes your cord a little bit tighter. Gives you a real square shape. So this is a really fun little tool that you can use. It's really easy. Your kids could use it. You could make bracelets or straps for things. Some fun variegated yarn. You could even have a few different colors of yarn together to make a really thick piece of cord. And you just keep going as long as you want. For removing it, it's the same. We just cut, pull it off the fork, take your tail, go through one loop, and go through the other loop. And then that just knots it off. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can purchase this lucid fork from Furls Crochet, and the link will be in the description box. Thanks so much for watching.